Hi, it's Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. Today I'm going to show you a black carbon fiber print that we put out. Running the tank about 90 degrees, about a minute soak time. It's actually a black and transparent print. The number is LSF021AKH, and we call it black carbon fiber. You can use any color base behind this you want. Some guys are using a tungsten, a dark charcoal base behind this to achieve more of a real carbon fiber look. Instead of using candy black or tinting your clear with a silver print, you can go with a charcoal base and this over the top, and there's no need to have to tint your clear. So 15 seconds. Lays out real nice, doesn't bunch on itself. This pattern is a full 1 meter wide pattern, so you can get some pretty large objects in there. This is a white base, so obviously it's not really going to look very true to carbon fiber, but you'll get the gist of it. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com or eBay. Seller name Draft461. That's DRAFT 461. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.